Harry or whatever your name is called, you do not talk to me like I'm a child. For all I know, you're just a security guard. So you should accord me some respect. Have I understood? You get that?
Tessie, you're biting more than you can chew in this palace. And I'm not happy about it.
And what are you going to do about that? Tessie, must you show your stupidity every second? Why on earth are you insulting him? Oh, shoot shit!
But Tessie, he didn't say anything bad. Would you be happy if I was dead?
Will you keep quiet? Who are you?
I don't blame any of you. I don't blame you at all. If not poverty, I wonder what would have made you girls come here, battle and fight over a prince.
Oh, please. Bros, match break. Hold on, I beg. I use God name to beg you. Why are you categorizing all of us? Say my mom make Canada insult you. Why you they insult all of us? I beg. Anybody will insult you, use your anger face her. No carry up. Why they even talk for this one self? No use and face me.
Hey, see this one talking. Are you talking to me? Huh? I don't blame you girls at all. I'm out of here. All brats.
Yeah,
Harry, I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you?
See, this girl, she's not fair now.
Oh, no, I can't. This is so wrong. I can't deal with this rubbish. Rubbish!
Tessie, you're a fool.
Let's go! Look at you!
What are you doing in this palace?
Bumper! It's not proper.
Now,
You keep quiet, man. Because of what they're saying, you say no sweet.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.